This video today is I actually am doing a purging of my dresser in my master bedroom, and what I want this video to do is just to kind of be an inspiration to any of you that are like me and you clean out your dresser, but like 6-7 years later you're cramming all your clothes in because they just won't fit, and then you realize I maybe need to go through, see what I have and get rid of it and donate it to, you know, Salvation Army, Thrift Village, Goodwill, wherever you're at, and maybe someone will like your gently used clothing or items, and also to go through and purge and get rid of things that you don't wear or that you're even enjoying anymore. It's really mind-boggling to me how quickly clothes, just things in general, add up, and especially as you get older. Even throughout the year, your tastes change in clothing, your comfort, your just whatever it is. Good idea to go through and purge and see what you have. So I did this, and this isn't to say that this is how you have to do your dresser or your closet or whatever. This is just to show you that it's really easy to do. It just takes a bit of time and energy to actually do it, and you feel better after. And when I'm going through, it looks like I don't really have, I got rid of a lot of clothes, which I did, and then when I'm putting everything back, it does look like I don't have a lot of like pants. But as I will say in the video, I was doing laundry that day, and you know, now I have space for what I need and also to grow for things that I get in the future. So with that being said, I really hope you enjoy this video and get some inspiration to tackle your own organization in your home. And if you'd like to see, guys, just keep watching. Let's get this dresser cleaned out. And can we get a thumbs up for plaid flannels and some fancy dance moves? Yeah. Hey guys. Now I desperately needed to clean and organize and purge this dresser. It was a mess, and it won't be perfect when it's done, but it will be more organized. So I'm going to just show you the top 3 drawers, what I have here, and I'm just taking everything out of the drawers to just find out what mess I have in here. And oh my goodness, it is just overwhelming how much stuff accumulates over the years that you don't wear. And look at it, nicely cleaned out. And now the chore of actually going through what I need to get rid of and donate and keep. Look at the 3 piles, and this is just the top row. So I'm just going through, and my socks especially, there's ones I have holes in. Why do I need those? Let's get rid of that. And now I'm just putting my donation pile together. I had 2 full bags. Holy cow. And now I'm just sorting through kind of how I want it to be folded up and put back into my drawer. Time to move the donation piles off to the side. And what I ended up doing, guys, is for my clothes, I did my workout outfits on the right hand side, and then I did my short sleeve shirts on the left, and then I actually ended up just rolling up my everyday tank tops and putting them along the front of the drawer. This actually will work really great because these are the ones I wear every day, and it's neat and tidy, and actually it doesn't look too bad. A few little things in this drawer. I've gone with my sports bras, my regular bras. I also have my undergarments, well, you know, undergarments, and I put my bathing suits here, and I actually have my cover-ups beside them rolled up, and then I have my socks divided into my fuzzy home socks. I have my black socks that I wear to work, and then my workout socks are white. And I've decided to make this drawer my jeans and long pants that I do wear to work or every day. And I need to get actually a couple hangers for my closet to hang up these sweaters. And I've made a pajama drawer, which has worked out really great. So I have my flannels on the one half, and then I put my tank tops and short sleeve shirts on the right, and then I rolled up my shorts. And then in this drawer I have all my capris and my workout pants. And I know it looks like I don't have a lot of pants, but I am doing laundry. I hope you follow me on Instagram at Decor Dream. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this inspires you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.